Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
First, enable Hyper-V in Windows features, and then restart the computer. After reboot, open Hyper-V Manager and confirm virtualization support is present. Next, download the Ubuntu ISO from the official site and save it to a known folder. Prepare minimum resources by planning 4 GB RAM, 2 vCPU cores, and a 20 GB virtual hard disk for the virtual machine. Finally, confirm virtualization is enabled in BIOS or UEFI before continuing to the creation steps. Open Hyper-V Manager and choose New Virtual Machine, then Next to proceed. Select Generation 2 for modern firmware support and click Next to continue. Assign 4 GB of RAM and enable dynamic memory only if you plan to share RAM. Configure networking by selecting Default Switch to give the VMNAT Internet access. Create a 20 GB dynamically expanding VHDX disk and attach the Ubuntu ISO as the virtual DVD drive. Finish the wizard and review settings before starting the virtual machine. Start the virtual machine and the Ubuntu installer will boot from the ISO. Follow installer prompts, pick your language, time zone, keyboard, and choose normal installation. When partitioning, select Guided Use Entire Disk and create a swap file automatically. After installation finishes, remove the ISO and reboot the virtual machine to boot from the virtual disk. Log in and update the system using sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y as the first step. Finally, enable enhanced session mode and install any guest utility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.